Okay, so that's lovely. Let's go to work. Thank you. Got an issue with this. Apparently this is either scorching hot or scorching cold. The way I check these, let's start with the cold setting. Okay, so we've got it on eco setting. It's pretty cold. So now I'll turn it up to max. So let's turn the temperature up a little bit more. Always handy to check the performance of the cold water. Not high pressure, but holes on this aren't really clogged up. See how it performs. So that's on low, and there's just nothing at all. I'm looking around to see if there's an isolation for this, which I can't see at this moment. And it's coming up to temperature now. It's getting hot. The complaint is it goes either from super hot. Ow, that's really hot. Okay, I'll tell you what. Now we turn it down to that. Now it's gone cold. There's a fault for this. I'm calling it done. There is an isolation out here which is super. Take this off. So we're going to replace this unit like for like. To give you an idea, I can barely get my shoulders through there. So I cover off. Clearly we've isolated the boiler. That ended nicely. So he's hung that off there. Okay. So our water comes in here. Not sure what this is. Seems to again go back to the earth there. Seems to be okay. Yeah. So this is our incoming. Much prefer not to do it this way. I don't like bare cables, dare I say it. That's not a way to check it, by the way. Most important, do this one up. Okay, hold on to the body. It's pretty tight. Okay, I'll start with a neutral. And I'm not going anywhere near the shank of this, just in case there were a fault anywhere else. All of a sudden I'm talking about. I just don't want to go down the van, unfortunately in this case. You should really be using the insulated one here. Now don't touch that against the earth because you'll trip everything out in the building. I would always suggest to youngsters, you make sure everything's isolated. There's an isolation outside, so I know I'm good there. But use insulated pliers to take them out. And insulated pliers to put them back in. It's easier. Check your fittings nice and tight. You can check for leaks. Air boost. I don't know what this is. Anyway, a way to get air into the system. That diffuser end. Okay. goes in here. Okay. Not cutting it like that. So good this is. It's going to be a fun day out, isn't it? Okay. So connection's all secure. PCB connector hidden out the way, it would seem, which is bloody irritating. Which was what I was saying at the beginning. But I guess they disconnect this so that people. So I'll pop that in there, polish that in, and push back. Put the hose on yet. So, we're all learning. Just keep learning. Oh, there you go. Yeah. Don't cross thread this because this could be quite expensive if it was. Can't stand those things. Okay, so that's your finished job. Shower unit. Putting a new rail, a new head. That's a top spec shower. It's been a while since I've done this. I wonder if you can guess what I'm printing. And it is something to do with what we do for a living. There it is. 44 minutes. Done. There it is. Little plate. There's an oval shape underneath, and without changing all sorts of stuff, I thought I'd just quickly print that, so pleased with that. Tiny little mark on it. I'll scratch that out in a second. So there you go. Nice, clean, a little bit of silicone around it to stop it from falling up, but pretty damn decent. Printed all in an hour. Doing that and look over there. Guess what I found? Okay, here we go. Complaining about an issue inside. Not in this house. In this house. Something about the drones inside the toilets don't flush. Clearly you can see there's some issues going on. Let's have a look. Just about to start this, I'm just going to give you a quick heads up. I've asked the guy to move his motorcycle, and we've got an issue inside of here. So clearly you can see here there's water coming out of here. Clearly a drain issue there. So my guess is, blocked there. My guess is we're going to find lots of goodies in here. The joy may begin. Pop this up. Cheers. Almost. Well, there's a nice morning sight for you. Wouldn't want to drop my camera in there. Beautiful. Let's go to manhole number 2 then, I guess. 2 out of 2. Not quite yet. Number 2. And here's another. Pure shit. There she goes. And this should start flowing through. Fat bird. Done.